You are welcome once again over here, and in this video I'll be teaching you, or I'll be showing you guys how to set a limit order on Bybit. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to trade on Bybit, how to trade cryptocurrency on Bybit, then this video is in for you. So first of all, you go to your phone menu, you have to download your Bybit app. Then after that, you register or create account. So after creating the account, you have to tap on it to log in. So when you log in over here, you're going to see this interface. Do you get me? So what you have to do, if you want to buy or purchase a cryptocurrency, you just have to tap over here, tap on this, the market, which is the second option. So after tapping on it, you are going to be around here. So try to select this one, which is the sports. So after selecting it, select any currency that you actually like. You have Bitcoin, Solana, MNT, Bill, and so on and so forth. So let's select this one, which is the Solana. So after tapping on it, you are going to see the chart over here. So this is the candlesticks. Do you get me? And as you can see, we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, and so on. Do you get me? So that is it. I can even change this from 5 minutes to 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Do you get me? In the next video, I'll be showing you how to do that. Do you get me? Why today I want this video to be short. So if you want to buy Solana is around $75.27 right now. So let's say if you want to buy it around 73 or 72, so you just have to tap over here, or you can push it from the right to left. Do you get me? Then after that, you let it be over here on buy. Do you get me? We have buy and we have sell, so let it be on buy. Then after that, you have to make sure you've already deposited an amount of money. If you don't know how to deposit amount of money or how to buy USDT, I'll be showing you how to buy USDT. Do you get me? So what you have to do is to set the price over here. But before you set the price, as you can see, we have limit over here. So tap over here, we have the limit, we have market. So tap on limit. When you tap on limit, you're going to see this is the market price. So we are going to change this from 75.28 to 72. Do you get me? So after that, tap in the amount that you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy $5 or $50 or $100. Just type it over there. Then after that, tap on buy. So after tapping on buy, you're going to see it's loading. Then you confirm it over here. Then you tap on buy Solana. So after doing that, you can see order submitted successfully. So what you have to do is to go down here, and you're going to see it over here. So this is it. We want to buy Solana at $72, and we are using $5. And bear in mind that this is 4.99 because they are going to charge a percentage. You get to be a fee for trading. So let's go back, and when you go back, you are going to see this over here. So just have a look. This is it. So this is the limit order. That's the 72 over here. Do you get me? Can you see it? This is the 72. This is the limit order. So when it drops from this place to this place, it's going to buy it for you. So this is how to set a limit order to buy a cryptocurrency on on Bybit. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below.